My name is Shane Daniels, and I am the Solution Consulting Director for Excelops. In this video, I will give a brief overview of monitoring from a business service perspective. Excelops provides a comprehensive platform that delivers performance, availability, and security monitoring of your data center. As you can see in this view, the Excelops dashboard provides visibility into business services, device views, virtualization, hardware, storage, and of course, applications. These are all pre-built dashboards that users can access depending upon their role in your organization. The focus for this video is the Business Service Dashboard. Here you can see all of the critical applications that are being monitored. At the top, you'll see all the business services, and to the right, you'll see performance, availability, and security incidents that are occurring for those services. You can also see the individual devices and applications that are running within this business service. This is a great view for your help desk team to have access to. If a call comes into the help desk with an application that is performing slowly or not responding, the help desk now has the context of critical applications or business services. And from this view, they can see the status of each service and any incidents that have occurred for devices within that business service. So whether the problem was an issue with the network, or a particular application like SQL Server, or if someone made a change to a switch, or even if there was a security issue, with Excelops, you have the context of what is affected in addition to many sources of data to pinpoint the problem. We can also look at a view of individual business services. By selecting one of the services in the Business Service Carousel located in the top right-hand corner, you will see a configurable dashboard with views specifically for that business service. In this case, I'll select the Exchange service. What you see here are different views of information relative to the devices that make up the Exchange business service. You see things like the topology view, top devices by uptime, business service incidents, top devices by CPU, and a lot of other information based on our pre-built reports. And of course, you are able to configure these views for how you want to see the data and organize them on the screen as well. If we drill down into a device on the topology, we can get more details, including a business service impact for that device. This tells us what other business services this device is a part of, or better yet, what other business services this device could affect. This comes in very handy for understanding the impact of change as well as criticality when operational issues arise. So how do we create those business services? Let me take you through a quick example. If we navigate over to the CMDB and go to the Business Services view, I'll create a new service. We'll give the service a name and description. I'll also zoom in on the topology at the bottom so we can see what's happening there. I have a web server that's part of my service, so I'll select that. So I'll click on Web Server and then Microsoft IIS and select that IIS instance. When I do that, you'll see a red check mark appear over the device in the topology view. I can then add it to my service. On the right-hand side, you'll see that this wizard has done a few things for me. It's added the application, the server it's running on, and the switch where it's plugged in. You'll see that highlighted on the topology as well. Now we'll choose an application server and a database server. You'll see when I select the database server that it's located on a different part of my network. If there were multiple communication paths, it would pull in all of the necessary devices to complete that service. So as you can see, it's very easy to create business service views within the solution and allow you to monitor from a business service perspective. Hopefully this was a helpful overview on managing business services within Excelops. Now you'll have visibility into what's affecting your critical applications and the context to make the right decisions. Thank you for your time today.